Judicial activism is when a judge forgets what his job is.
Courts do not and should not have legislative power.
The problem we face is that the judiciary now has come to consider itself entitled regularly to trespass on the authority of the other branches of government.
Well, we better take back some of this authority that was ours by the Constitution.
I think it's of major importance because it has the longest term effect on the culture.
Behind me is literally ground zero of the culture war, the U.S. Supreme Court. Justice Scalia has talked about the fact that the culture war is taking place in the court, and it shouldn't. The culture war is to take place in Congress. That's what our Constitution gives us, is a republic where there's decisions are made. It never gave us a judicial oligarchy, but that's what's occurring, of course, today. Those big decisions that impact America, whether it's life or marriage, our national relationship with God, the ability for Christians to bring their worldview into public policy making, even the war on terror, the economy, taxes. Many of these decisions are occurring in the court, which is silly. That should never happen. The court is a place where cases are decided, where judges put on robes and honor the law and apply that law to cases. But what's been occurring, of course, is judges legislating from the bench. Instead of honoring the legislation that's made by the people and their elected representatives, the court is re-legislating. So as few as 5 unelected lawyers in Washington, D.C. are making the most important decisions affecting 40 million lives in America and so many other issues. And so as we launch out to win this culture war, if we don't win the battle for the U.S. Supreme Court, we will lose. It's very important that we invest our time, our efforts in the states, even in Congress and with the President. But as important as all those things are, if all we do is pass another law, we need to look back about 2, 3, 5, 15, 20 years to see what's happened to many of these great laws that we've worked so hard, spent tens of millions of dollars in some instances, and blood, sweat, and tears to achieve victories, only to have them taken away illegitimately by the court.